Alright, so gotta get to my car. It is raining out. I don't know if you can see it. Don't really want to go outside yet though. Yo, what's going on right now? My whole street is ice. It's a skating rink out here. It's so hard to walk. There's massive puddles out here. It's crazy. It's mad dirty. Like, look at the front. I really have so much junk in my car. It's crazy. I'm about to clean this bad boy out. This is my trunk. It's even worse than the back seat. You got shoes, all kinds of shoes up here. You got knapsacks. You know, we got jackets, other pairs of shoes, motorcycle helmets. I finished washing my car, right? And my pants kind of got wet, and it kind of looks like I peed myself. Like, it kind of looks like I peed myself right now, all up and down my legs. It'd be kind of weird if I peed myself on the side though, but yeah. So I just finished washing the car. You know, my baby's spotless.